Want a delicious tasting creamy mushroomy pasta dish? Then look no further, tune right in and follow the recipe till the end. Have fun. Tonight's recipe is a quick, ready in 10 minutes pasta dish, and one of the best things I like to do with penne pasta, particularly on a weeknight when the whole family is busy. Penne pasta with chestnut mushrooms, crispy bacon, leeks and Dolcelatte. Enjoy the recipe and ensure you carefully watch to the end of the video to ensure you catch all ingredients and instructions. We start by placing penne pasta into a deep filled pot of salted boiling water. Whilst the penne is cooking, we can start to prepare our ingredients. Firstly, we thinly slice 250 grams of chestnut mushrooms, followed by cutting into small pieces one 300 gram pack of unsmoked back bacon, then around 100 grams of sliced leeks. As I was not going to make use of a large whole leek this week, I went for the lazier pre-sliced rather than wasting half a leek before cooking. The ingredients would suit 3 to 4 people. The first cook was from Mrs Faceless and Little Mini Faceless, so I took around half of each prepared ingredient, although the pasta was measured by eye. After this, check the penne is al dente, remove from the water, but do not waste this lovely starchy water, we will need this for later. We leave the pasta to steam gently over the water to keep it moist and warm. We start by frying our bacon. Now, a little tip here, if you'd like that lovely crispy texture and appearance, add a good splash of water and cover. Allow the bacon to cook until your desired crispness. Some may prefer a softer texture for the dish, but I find it adds another texture to keep it as crisp as possible. We remove this from the pan. Then we add our sliced mushrooms. We are going to dry fry the mushrooms, which allows them to naturally release their own juices and add a deeper flavour, before adding our sliced leeks and gently cooking these down. We then return our crisp bacon to the pan. Give it a good mix through before adding a generous ladle and a half of the pasta water and cook this down while stirring to allow this mixture to emulsify. We then return the pasta to the pan and thoroughly mix this in before adding around 80 grams of Dolcelatte, stirring through and then leaving to temper for around 5 minutes. And serve. A hearty, filling 10-minute dish. Feel free to substitute with different ingredients, for example the addition of garlic, or swapping bacon for guanciale, lardons or prosciutto. A delicious bowl of penne pasta with chestnut mushrooms, bacon, leeks and Dolcelatte, topped with some grated parmesan. Delicious. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you are on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and join us on our journey to 1000 subscribers. Also, make sure you hit the notification button to be notified of more weekly videos. Stay healthy and see you next episode. Goodbye.